Welcome to our deep dive into Moto Guzzi's 2025 adventure touring marvel, the Moto Guzzi V100 Stelvio. Inspired by the iconic Stelvio pass in Italy, this bike is built to tackle rugged terrain while providing a refined, comfortable ride. The V100 Stelvio stands out with its striking, rugged look. Moto Guzzi has combined traditional aesthetics with modern engineering, resulting in a motorcycle that feels both classic and contemporary. The bike has a high front fender, muscular fuel tank, and aggressive stance, making it instantly recognizable as a true adventure machine. Moto Guzzi has built it with long-distance travelers in mind, equipped with a large fuel tank and a seat designed for comfort on extended rides. Under the hood, the V100 Stelvio features Moto Guzzi's 1042cc liquid-cooled, transverse V-twin engine. This unique engine layout provides a low center of gravity, aiding stability on and off-road. With around 115 horsepower and 77 pound-feet of torque, this engine is responsive and powerful, yet smooth enough for long rides. And let's not forget Moto Guzzi's shaft drive, which adds to the reliability and requires less maintenance than chain-driven systems. The V100 Stelvio is loaded with advanced electronics to enhance the rider's experience. It features a 6-axis IMU, allowing for lean-sensitive ABS and traction control. Plus, it comes with multiple ride modes, including Tour, Sport, Rain, and Off-Road. Moto Guzzi has clearly focused on versatility here. The ride modes adjust the bike's throttle response, ABS settings, and suspension setup, making the V100 Stelvio adaptable for city commuting, highway touring, and off-road adventures. The V100 Stelvio's semi-active suspension, designed by Öhlins, automatically adjusts based on road conditions. This provides an ideal balance of comfort and control, whether you're cruising down a smooth highway or navigating rough trails. This semi-active suspension is a game-changer for adventure bikes. It not only improves ride quality but also adapts to changes in weight, such as carrying luggage or a passenger, ensuring consistent handling. Adventure touring requires comfort for hours on end, and Moto Guzzi has gone the extra mile with the V100 Stelvio's ergonomics. The seat is adjustable, and the windscreen can be raised or lowered electronically to suit different rider heights. The relaxed, upright riding position is ideal for long journeys. Coupled with heated grips and optional heated seats, this bike is well prepared for any season. One standout feature is the integrated storage solution. The V100 Stelvio comes with panniers that blend seamlessly with its design, plus an optional top box for even more storage. With ample storage, you can pack everything you need for a multi-day adventure, and the balanced design means you won't feel weighed down, even with a full load. The Moto Guzzi V100 Stelvio is a compelling choice for adventure enthusiasts. With its unique engine layout, advanced tech, and Italian styling, it brings a fresh perspective to the adventure touring segment. For riders seeking an adventure bike that combines off-road capability with classic Moto Guzzi charm, the V100 Stelvio is definitely worth a test ride.